Philippine Airlines, oh. Have Lufthansa, Technic, Philippines. Oh my God.
Abang, going turbo power, this one brake. Oh, brake power.
Cebu Pacific, oh.
Ganas dia brake.
FedEx, Philippine Airlines. This one Terminal 1 na yan.
Yeah. I only like when they take off and landing. That's it.
They have China Airlines.
Yeah.
Have China Airlines.
When taking off, turbo power, this one braking power. Until burning.
There, this one China Airlines.
The best.
China Airlines.
Tuan-tuan, puan-puan, selamat datang ke lapangan terbang antarabangsa Ninoy Aquinoy, Manila.
Manila, yeah, we're in Manila now.
The original one, the first one.
Oh, there's Saudi Arabia Airlines. This all. These are the Philippine Airlines.
Semua peralatan elektronik mesti dipadamkan sehingga pintu pesawat dibuka.